Performing a mail merge. First, you will need a database. In the first row, you need heading titles. Once your data is correct, you can close your database. It needs to be saved on a desktop or on a C drive. If you're working across the network, please save it to your desktop. Then you need a main document. In this example, we're doing a letter. And then you go to mailings on your ribbon, select recipients, use an existing list, and this is linking to your database. So mine is saved on the desktop. It'll open a little window and it just wants to confirm that your data is on worksheet 1. Notice that this is ticked. First row of data contains your column headings. So that's why we had to make sure it was in the first row. So just say OK. And we're now ready to insert fields to make our letter customized per person on our database. We're going to insert merge field, title, spacebar, first name, spacebar, last name. Then we're doing the address. Then we're doing city, spacebar, and postcode. For dear, we're going to do it informal because it's 2 members of our club. So we'll just do first name. Then within the body of the letter, we have included some information where we need something to come from the database. Like, for example, our records show that you hold something or other membership. So we're going to have to insert membership into here. And then how much does that cost to renew their membership? So amount owing. And then if we do preview results, we can see how this merge will work. So just double checking, our records show that you hold a single membership, and we can see that we need a price here. So currency, and then I've left the bottom of the letter where you type your name and job title, or whoever has written the letter, their name and job title. So we're just on preview at the moment. So this is our main document. You would save it as your main document. Then to perform the mail merge, you go finish and merge, edit individual documents, all, and this is your final document. Notice that it's started as a new document. It's called letters 1, and there are 4 letters, one after the other, so they're all merged. And this is how you perform a mail merge. Thank you for watching.